I was fortunate enough to have come together with a number of our Serbian colleagues on the program, to include those that we commonly refer to as the Serbo-7. I was in the area that was primarily responsible for reviewing all of the technical data in various phases called critical and preliminary and critical design review. Miliko Vucelic was the chief engineer and a brilliant gentleman and a scholar. He was NASA's equivalent of the Apollo Space Launch Director for North American Aviation, and we were the original contractor on the project. But more importantly, his timing to come to the space program was incredible because he had a brilliant mind and was very instrumental in the success of the project. Other members of the team include a gentleman by the name of Milo Shabatovic. He's a mechanical engineer. He also worked on the docking systems that were designed specifically for the Apollo and the Lunar Excursion Module docking. Another key individual on the project was a gentleman by the name of Danilo Bojic. Danilo was also instrumental in the design of the emergency escape system on the Apollo spacecraft. If you recall, we lost 3 astronauts as a result of a fire, and it was unfortunate, but it was something that we anticipated because of the total oxygen environment in the space capsule. Slavoj Bujic was an electronics engineer, heavily involved in coordinating all the electronic systems and development. Paul Dujic was also in logistics. He worked, I think, in the logistics and other parts of the project. Interestingly enough, Paul Dujic and I met many years earlier when he was in the United States Air Force, and I met him then, and then interestingly enough, we coincidentally met on the Apollo program. And then there was Paul Galovic. He was also a mechanical engineer, and that wrapped up a good percentage of our original Serbo-7 group. We had established a camaraderie. We met frequently in restaurants and where we came together as fellow Serbs for dinner or for lunch, and we continued our Serbian relationship up until the last of the Apollo missions were completed. There was an outstanding camaraderie, and I speak for my departed colleagues that it was such an honor for us to have been recognized in playing a role in the success of this project. And I hope that what we've established here would make our colleagues and our friends and our relatives in Serbia proud.